Okay, my friends, for this project, we want to go ahead and change up our thread to the yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and make a couple of bobbins at the same time. So we're going to grab an empty bobbin and wind it. Okay, so I've taken my thread, I've put on the cap, I've brought it through this, I've brought it through this, I've come back around this side, looped this one time, brought it back, put it through the hole in the bobbin, push the bobbin over. Now I'm going to hold this with the sewing machine on and I'm going to wind it. All right, so we've got a full bobbin, we've got a full thread up top, and Sylvia, what do we do?
Okay.